In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to RSVP to a meeting with your location in Google Calendar. We're going to walk through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to navigate these steps using your Google Calendar via a desktop web browser. Whether you're responding to a work meeting invite or a social gathering, having your RSVP and location accurately noted can be incredibly helpful for organizers. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google Calendar. Once you're there, find the specific meeting invite you received. Your invites will usually appear in your calendar view or might be found in your inbox if you've opted for email notifications. A simple click on the invite will bring up a pop-up with all the details related to the event. In this pop-up, you'll see RSVP options that allow you to indicate if you'll be attending. You have 3 RSVP choices: yes, maybe, and no. Selecting yes confirms your attendance, maybe signals that you're unsure, and no declines the invitation altogether. Choose the option that best reflects your availability and commitment for the meeting date and time. Directly underneath the RSVP section, you'll spot either an Add Location field or something that says where you're joining from. This is where you can share where you'll be during the meeting. Enter your location in this section. It could be as general as office if you're going to be in a known workspace, or home if you plan on attending remotely. Additionally, you can input a more specific address if necessary. Providing this information can be particularly helpful for hybrid meetings or when logistical arrangements need to be considered, allowing the host to understand where each participant will be logging in from. Once you have entered your location details, go ahead and click the Save button. This ensures that your RSVP, along with the location details you entered, is recorded. It's a small step, but it carries significant weight for meeting organizers who rely on precise and complete RSVPs for planning. This recorded data helps them anticipate where each participant will be, plan resources effectively, and address any technical requirements that may arise. And there you have it. The host of the meeting will now see your response along with your location, giving them a clearer picture of the attendance and preparations needed. With that, you're all set. Remember, the ability to show your location within your RSVP is not only convenient, but also serves to keep everyone involved, informed, and prepared. I hope this guide helps make your experience with Google Calendar smoother and more efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling.